Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flush DNS cache in Linux in a very simple way. So first, we're going to open our terminal and then we're going to type sudo space system dash resolve space dash dash flush dash caches and then click enter. They will going to ask your computer password. Just simply give your computer password and then click enter. If it's showing something no output means success, but in my computer it is showing the command system resolve is not found. So for that we will going to try another one. Let's clear it, then type sudo space resolve ctl space flush dash caches and then click enter. If it's nothing happened, then you can be sure that your command is rightly worked, and it is for using resolve ctl. So we made a success. We can try another command like using nscd that can cache your name service, and maybe after using it restart the nscd to clear the DNS cache. So what you can do, you can simply type here first clear this, type sudo system ctl restart nscd and click enter. If it's failed, then you might sure you have no nscd services running in your background computer. So these fixes can help you to solve this problem. The most of the time second one works the most. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to comment below and share with your friends and share your comments that which one is causing your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.